Hello everyone, this is the official tutorial for ScrapeStorm. This lesson will show you schedule and data deduplication in Run Settings. Let's get started. Click Start to open Run Settings. Run Settings are the same in Smart Mode and Flowchart mode. There are two settings in Schedule. One is the interval loop, which only has an interval time but no end time. So unless you manually stop, the task will continue to run. Duration of each loop is the interval between the previous automatic stop of the task and the next. The other is to have a start date, start time, and stop time, and you can set the frequency to once, daily, weekly, and hourly. If the next start time comes, but the previous task has not stopped, the software will automatically stop the task and then restart it. Schedule is to run the task from the beginning, so it will be scripted repeatedly. If you only want to scrape the latest data, you can combine the introduced filtering function or use data deduplication. There are conditions and actions in data deduplication. One of the conditions is all fields are duplicated. The other is the fields selected below all duplicated. You can select the fields in the task. There are also two options in actions. One is when the data is duplicated, the data will be skipped. It can ensure that even if the task starts from the beginning, the scraped data will not be scraped again. But there are actually scraping actions, and it needs to compare the current data with the scraped data one by one. So it will affect the scraping speed. The larger the amount of data, the greater the effect. The other is when the data is repeated, the task will be stopped. This is usually used when the refresh rate of the scraping task is high. If you choose to skip, the task will scrape all the pages and return the non-duplicate data. If you choose to stop, the task will stop when scraping the first duplicate data. And the data deduplication is for a whole piece of data, not for a specific field. That's all for today. Thank you.